Today we are going to make a beautiful landing page using AI, and we are going to use Bolt.new specifically. They provide you 3 million tokens per month for free, which you can use to make landing pages and websites. So when you first log in, this is the kind of interface you will see, and in the middle here, this is where you write your prompt. And your prompt is just the type of thing, the landing page you want to make. And in this case, we are interested in making a portfolio landing page, and that too specifically for data science domain. So let's just write it out. So this is the first part of prompt. Make a data scientist portfolio landing page. Now we need to give some more information to AI based on our preferences. So I need a testimonial section. I don't need contact form. And also let's add some effects. And one more thing, let's just add dark mode toggle. So this is our prompt. Make a data scientist portfolio landing page. I need a testimonial section. Don't add contact form. Add parallax effect on scrolling. Make cards float. And add dark mode toggle. So let's click enter and wait for the magic to happen. So it took a couple of minutes, and now my portfolio landing page is ready. As you can see here on the right side, it shows preview, and if you can just scroll, it has all the information that we needed. It has our skills section. You also have shortcuts to your profile, LinkedIn, GitHub, email, and then we have here our project section, and here is our testimonial section as we requested. So this is everything that you need in your portfolio. Let's just test out the dark mode as well, and yes, it is working, and everything looks very clean and professional. So that's it. In just couple of minutes you can make your own portfolio landing websites now. And if you need to change some of these information, you can just go to code, app.tsx, and here you have all the information, and just edit it out with your own information, with your own testimonials, and you are good to go. So I hope this gives you some ideas of how to make your landing pages using AI. And if you like this video and if you get some value, then please like the video and comment under it. Bye bye.